Today we're in Guangzhou. We're waiting for a client. Look at the little figure bending over through the curtains. Today we're introducing our multifunctional interactive controller. This product, you can see it has 4 physical buttons, a 1.9-inch screen in the middle. So it has a distance sensor on the screen. In the lower right corner, there's a hidden temperature and humidity sensor. The screen can flip through 3 pages. You can set up to 12 functions. Well, different texts match different buttons, creating unique functions for each of the 4 physical buttons, such as lights, brightness of the lights, and adjusting the color temperature. For example, a 3-level colored light, adjusting the color. Lights with only brightness control will show an interactive bar. When you turn on the light, it's easy to adjust brightness. So, of course, it can flip pages. Control the curtain's opening and tilt. For example, one scene triggers an interactive flipping graphic. It has a distance sensor when it's over a meter away, text disappears. Keeping it simple. Interface style. Displayed right in front of you. When someone gets close to it, text will appear to help you operate. These details also, we hope our partners will explore and test. There are 2 versions, a KNX and an ETS. The text inside doesn't require any complex operation from you. The KNX version can be set through ETS to configure and edit. In both Chinese and English, this interface text, the 485 version, can be set up via the host computer. The core purpose of launching this product is to make it more powerful features, simple and convenient operation. This one turns on the device, fine-tunes the details, all combined, and also offers you clean and nice, modern, this high-quality feel. There are 8 precious metal finish. There are also 8 from Phalanx. Matches the material. Also available in aluminum. Paired to complement it. Welcome all. Inquiry. Output. I hope you all share your feedback. Thanks.